Hello everyone, in this video I am going to demonstrate one of my designed hardware prototype named IOT based remote appliances control and monitoring system with feedback. So friends, after watching this video, if you like the innovation, please do support me by voting for the innovation at innovativeindia.gov.in. For voting, you may find the full link below in the description. The whole system consists of 16 sockets to which various appliances like lamp, fan, television, refrigerator, air cooler, etc. can be connected and can be controlled from anywhere in the world. Yes friends, it can be controlled from anywhere in the world using 4G, 3G or even 2G network services. Not only controlling the devices but also the real status of the devices along with energy consumed by particular device connected to particular socket of the system can be monitored from anywhere in the world. The system also has its own Wi-Fi hotspot, so if the user is present within the range of its Wi-Fi hotspot, then the user doesn't require any external network services. User can just connect the Wi-Fi hotspot and then control and monitor the appliances. The appliances connected to the system can either be controlled by voice command by using Google Assistant, or it can also be controlled by Android application as a graphical user interface. For practical demonstration of the system, I will be considering that this system is being implemented in my smart home. Friends, for practical demonstration, I will be using these two simple electric bulbs that cost 10 to 20 rupees and are readily available in the market. Now, let me connect these bulbs to socket 1 and socket 5 of the system. Now, I will be using my Android application and a 4G network service to control the electric bulbs connected to socket 1 and socket 5 of the system. Now let me click on my Android application. These are the list of smart switches. Now before clicking on the smart switch, I have to edit my username to avoid multi-user interruption. Let me consider two users, Jack and John, are the member of smart home. Let Jack uses socket 1 of the system. The device connected to socket 1 of the system is an electric bulb and the power of the bulb is 60 watt. Let John uses socket 5 of the system. The device connected to socket 5 is an electric bulb and the power of the bulb is 60 watt. Now let me submit the information. Now let me check whether the device name and username for socket 1 and socket 5 are updated or not. Yes, the information has been updated. Now, Jack and John are ready to control their appliances. Let Jack turn on his lamp from socket 1 and John turn on his lamp from socket 5. Let Jack turn off his lamp from socket 1 and John turn off his lamp from socket 5. Now both Jack as well as John turn their lamp on. Now coming to the most important part of the project, that is the detection of real status of the devices. Let me click on feedback information. The device status is on for both the user Jack as well as John. Energy consumed by particular bulb and its cost can also be monitored. Now let me consider that the filament of the bulb got damaged or someone took out the bulb from socket 5. As soon as the device gets disconnected, zone will get the information that your device is being disconnected. Again, as soon as the device gets connected to socket 5, zone will get the information that your device is on. Now, let me disconnect an electric bulb from socket 1. Please view the changes in my Android application. Now again, let me connect the bulb to socket 1. Okay Google, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. I've been reading about Black History for Black History Month.
Okay Google, turn on light from socket 1.
Okay, Jack, turning on light from socket 1.
Okay Google, turn on light from socket 5.
Okay, John, turning on light from socket 5.
Okay Google, turn off light from socket 1.
Okay, Jack, turning off light from socket 1.
Okay Google, turn off light from socket 5.
Okay, John, turning off light from socket 5.
Okay Google, thank you so much.
That makes me so happy. You're most welcome.
Calculation of energy consumption is done by feeding the signal from digital energy meter to the system, and the calculation takes place inside the system. Now let me turn on both the lamps from socket 1 and socket 5. Now let me click on energy consumption. At every 10 seconds, fresh values will be updated in the application.